Hey, cybersecurity students. Welcome back to Cyber Tutor. We're talking
Today we're
about
diving.
something many people ignore, but that can seriously impact security: bloatware. You've probably seen it before. You buy a new laptop or phone, and it comes loaded with pre-installed apps you never asked for. But here's the question: is bloatware just annoying, or is it a security risk? Let's break it down in a simple and cybersecurity-focused way. What is bloatware? Bloatware refers to unnecessary software that comes pre-installed on a device by manufacturers or vendors. It usually runs in the background, uses system resources, cannot be easily removed, provides little real value. Examples include trial antivirus software, shopping apps, media players, manufacturer utilities. But the real concern isn't performance, it's security. How bloatware becomes a security risk. Let's understand the mechanism behind the risk. One, increased attack surface. Every installed application has code, has potential vulnerabilities may communicate over the network. The more software installed, the larger the attack surface. Outdated or unpatched software. Bloatware is often poorly maintained, rarely updated, left with security vulnerabilities. Attackers actively search for known vulnerabilities in pre-installed applications. Excessive permissions. Some bloatware has system-level privileges, accesses files and hardware, connects to external servers. If compromised, attackers may gain deeper system access. Hidden background activity. Some bloatware collects user data, sends telemetry, connects to third-party services. This creates privacy and potential data exposure risks. Real-world security impact. There have been cases where pre-installed software included backdoors, manufacturer apps had hard-coded credentials, default admin passwords were left unchanged. In enterprise environments, unmanaged bloatware can introduce vulnerabilities, bypass monitoring, complicate compliance requirements. This makes it a real cybersecurity concern. Why cybersecurity students must understand bloatware. Understanding bloatware helps you recognize unnecessary risk, reduce attack surface, harden systems properly, improve endpoint security, understand supply chain, security risks. Cybersecurity isn't just about defending against hackers. It's also about minimizing unnecessary exposure. How to mitigate bloatware risks. From a security perspective, remove unnecessary software. Reinstall clean operating systems when possible. Apply regular patching. Monitor background network traffic. Enforce software control policies in enterprises. Security starts with reducing complexity. Why this matters in your career. If you're aiming for roles like SOC analyst, endpoint security engineer, cloud security architect, IT security administrator, you'll be expected to audit systems, remove unnecessary software, reduce vulnerabilities. Knowing how bloatware impacts security makes you a better defender. Final thoughts. Bloatware may look harmless, but in cybersecurity, every unnecessary application is a potential vulnerability. Reducing attack surface is one of the smartest defensive strategies you can apply. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity threat concepts explained simply. Stay curious, stay secure. See you in the next video.